Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course, I'll be showing you to fix the issue, which I'm trying to show you here involving your iPad. And of course, the problem occurs whenever you have a problem where the iPad is on, but of course the screen is black or blank, but it's still running. So it's still running, but you're getting nothing from the display. You know it's on because you're hearing sounds and so on at times. All right, so in order to fix that, this is what you're gonna do. Now it's very important that you hold the phone in the correct way. So just like me, turn it to the sides, which is landscape mode, and not in portrait mode, because these devices tend to switch button configuration based on how it's turned. So do not turn it in the opposite way. Keep it as you're seeing it here. All right. So what you want to do here, guys, and remember, unlike mine, you might not see anything on display right away, but simply follow along. All right. So you're gonna hit volume up, which is the uppermost button, then volume down, then you're gonna press on hold power. So that's volume. It's gonna be volume up, volume down. You're gonna press on hold power. Now I'm just reproducing the issue. You most likely are not gonna see anything on screen. So keep holding power and keep holding power. It's gonna be black or blank as seen here. As soon as you see the Apple logo, go ahead and let go. Now, of course, what we did just now is to do what we call a force restart, and that should fix the issue. This should work on iPad Air, iPad Pro, iPad A16, iPad Mini, you name it, and the screen should start working again. And as you see here, we are back up and you should be up and running. I hope that was clear and that helped you out in your situation with your iPad. And of course, it's Ricardo Gardner from blog Tech Tips saying bye until next time. Bye guys.